Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from WuBen. Now this here is their T2. Now they sent this to me. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. Let's start here on the specs. Now as you can see there, puts out 550 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open and see what's in. Everything is underneath here. Get one lanyard. Two O-rings. And one user manual. Now I've been doing reviews for WuBen for quite a while now. This is a large user manual because it has multi-languages. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. And I'm going to remove this little sticker here. It's just a reminder to let you know that there is a little protection piece here on the battery. So you want to go ahead and remove it. Now the nice thing about this is this runs on regular AA cells. There it is. Nice size. A little bit longer than a pen light. Definitely more stealthy looking, especially with this aggressive knurling here on the side. Really nice indentations. They're a little bit wider apart. Tail clicky there. Side switch. Definitely a serious looking design here. Now the style and design on this is definitely very nice. Button does appear to be almost flush with the body. Got the two-way clip on here. And you can remove it if you don't want it on there. Now just a warning to you, do not use two 14500 cells. That's too powerful for this light. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now this is running the Osram P9 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and show you the insides. tail spring there is pretty heavy duty. Well greased threads. Now this is a complete kit. Comes with the batteries. You want to remove that piece there. Here are the included 2 alkaline cells. These are 1.5 volts. You can buy these pretty much anywhere, any store, gas station. In an emergency, easy to get a hold of these. I buy them on Amazon. A lot cheaper to buy them in bigger bulk. Alright, now let's go over the UI. Now the UI is pretty straightforward. Turning that on with the tail switch. It's the lowest setting there. Simply clicking on the side switch goes through the light outputs and then back down. Look at the beam profile here. See a combination beam. A lot of bleeding here to the spill. So it's probably going to lean a little on the floody side as well. Make it a little more intense there. You can see there, right there in the center. And then it goes back down. Now on any light level you can press and hold to get strobe. And that is a variable speed. And simply clicking that one time brings you right back to the last light output that you had it on. Really simple to operate. Does have memory mode. You can use it as a pressure switch as well. Kind of have a little tactical feel to that. Once you want it to leave it on, full press that. And that's all there is to this little light. Pretty straightforward design, but the looks are definitely mean looking. Definitely have a little bit of an attitude here. In a good way. So let's wait no further. Let's take this bad boy out. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the WuBen T2 little 2-cell AA battery flashlight. Let's try it out. And of course on the lowest setting, and see my feet pretty easily. Good for up close. See if it makes the water spout. And it is. And that is 35 feet from where I'm standing. Let's go to the next level. Come alive there a little bit better. There it is on the fence. Kind of give you an idea on the type of beam it has. Let's go to the next level. See how it does. Nice even spacing. 65 feet to that tree there. Now I list all my distances in a video below. Link is in the description below all my videos. Let's go to the next level. And it is making the tree of life, 138 feet. 550 lumens is impressive. Be in profile here. Fence line, tree line, all coming from this little light. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice performance for only 550 lumens on 2 AA batteries. You can't expect a lot of range on it, but the brightness level is definitely more than enough. It'll step down after about 3 minutes to the next level. It's about 230 lumens, and that's still a lot of light, and it'll run at that. So essentially you have a 230 lumen flashlight with short bursts of turbo. Especially with the batteries that you use will also determine how many times you can put it on turbo. So I recommend you using a quality cell, preferably if you can. The one-time use lithium cell, 1.5 volts, will do very well in this. Probably give you the best run time that you can get and still be able to have that momentary turbo whenever you need it. Automatic cycle down. Now the build quality on this is top notch, feels really rugged and solid, just like you would expect from WuBen. They make some of the best flashlights on the market, and they've been doing it for an extremely long time. I believe it's 1981, so they've been doing it a very long time. Alright, well, I want to thank WuBen for sending me this T2 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description where you can get this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these little lights from WuBen to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.